Assalamualaikum, grade 5. Next topic, light, on page number 79. Students, light can travel in different ways. Light reflection means through, refraction changing direction, and diffraction spreading. So how light travels? Light travels in waves. If there is nothing in between the way of light travel, they move straight, and if there is a thing that hits the light, they can behave differently. Reflection is when light waves bounce off objects but the angles remains the same. What is reflection? Reflection is when light bounce off objects. In this figure you can see that reflection, the distance between the light wave and the reflection is the same. So how many types of reflection? There are two types of reflection, regular and diffuse. How does regular reflection occurs? Students, regular reflection occurs when light hits to a smooth surface like this mirror and it forms a clear image, as you can see that in standing in front of the mirror. But diffuse reflection occurs when light hits through a rough surface and it forms a blur image. For example, looking at yourself in the pond. Next topic, refraction. Refraction means move or change direction. Refraction is when light bends, and this occurs when light travels from one state of matter to another state. Here in this figure you can see that refraction is an action by placing a straw in a glass of water. So the straw appears to bend and broken, but it is not the straw is bending, but the light allows to move the straw and we can see the straw. So diffraction, how diffraction occurs? Diffraction is when light bends slightly as it passes around the edge of an object. In this figure you can see that the clouds, when they appear to have a silver linings. Students, convex and concave, these are the shapes of the objects from where light can pass, and they have different shapes. Convex. What is convex mirror or lens? Students, convex mirror or lens is when the lens bulges from the middle. So it is used in the spectacles for long-sighted people, and which means they have problems seeing things that are close to them. Examples: rear view mirror and stop to detect shoplifters. Concave. What is concave mirror? A concave mirror or lens is when appears sunken in the middle like this, and it is also used in spectacles for short-sighted people. For example, makeup shaving mirrors. Now questions and the answers are: page number 81. What is the difference between concave lens and a convex lens? Explain with the help of diagram. Concave lens is one that appears sunken in the middle like this. This is the diagram. And convex lens is one that bulges out towards the light. Second question, how are these two types of lenses used? Convex lens is used in the spectacles for long-sighted people, and concave lens is used in the spectacles for short-sighted people. Thank you.